Need is a harsh word. Let me put it this way. He has a 4K 144. He has a $2,000 monitor.
And an 8086K?
Yeah, I'm sure it was lovely when he bought it.
At least he's got 32 gigs of RAM.
Sweetie, he has a $2,000 monitor. He's going to buy a $1,500 video card.
And
you're going to keep a 6-core chip?
No.
10. Just do it.
You need to upgrade your CPU, Black Mamba.
I don't mean to be harsh, but if you're not already on an 8... Look, I get keeping an 8-core chip. If you have an i9 9900K, fine. But respectfully, if you've got a $2,000 monitor and a $1,500 video card, this should not hurt. And if it does... something went wrong in the math.
What was his monitor again?
He has a 4K 144 hertz monitor
27 inch.
for $2,000.
Yeah, when it came out, it was 2K.
They're a little bit cheaper now, but they were $2,000 when they first came out.
Why would you buy one?
Because you can. It's fine. I'm not criticizing that. But I'm saying if you're the kind of buyer... Look, this is like the guy who buys a nice BMW 5 Series for $65,000 and he goes to Discount Tire and says, what's the cheapest tires you got? There's something missing in the equation. That's like somebody who buys a $4,000 Louis Vuitton handbag and then takes it to the budget cleaners and says, hey, can you get the stain out of it? I am extremely firmly of the belief that if you are a premium, price is not the primary concern buyer. Don't mix 3-year-old chips with new chips. Don't, because a 6-core 12-thread machine is no longer premium. It may have been when you bought it, but that doesn't matter today.
No.
And if you're doing that, you're the kind of person that wants amazing. You're not the kind of person that wants almost amazing nice except for all the cheapness.
Oh, thank you.
That's like taking your $100,000 Tesla to the $5 car wash.
Don't do that.
You know people who like to own a nice Model S? The expensive one? And going to the $5 automatic car wash.
Although $6 here and there's a lot. Oh, dear me. Okay, Lee S.
Washes your car.
Yes, but
Black Mamba gets
if you own a $100,000 car, get it hand washed. Running it through an automatic car wash machine with all that crap that goes through it and all the dirty cars and everything,
Black Mamba, please
pay $50 and have it hand washed.
Please tell him you get it. Please, please, please. Okay. You okay? You good? Deep breath. Deep breath. Oh, Black Mamba.
Here's the kicker.
Okay.
There are absolutely games and circumstances where you could run a 6-core 12-thread Intel chip at 5 point whatever it was gigahertz on a 4K 144 hertz monitor with a 3090. My argument is that it's hit and miss, it doesn't have a future, and if you're that kind of person, another $500 for this is not going to ultimately change whether or not you eat steak dinners.
And maybe fine now, but not in the future. Is that what you're trying to say for the 612?
If you're at the premium end of the market, you're upgrading everything all the time.
Black Mamba said he's going to get that the i9 10850K.
Let me put it this way. On a 1440p 100 hertz monitor and an RTX 2070 Super, I noticed the change going from an 8700K to a 9900K. There is no world in which I would buy a 3090 and not put it on one of these things.
Exactly.
I just...
You'll notice the difference.
You'll appreciate it.
The 8080.
Don't handicap your awesome hardware with what is now mid-range gear.
I think I can. Okay. Yeah. Report back to us and let us know how you like that 10850K.